Okay, but this transparent glass is taken and both the sides are transparent, perfect transparent. Now what we are going to do, we take a silver material and the silver, molten silver is coated on one side, coated on one side. So that means there is a coating of silver, because silver is the good reflector of light. Silver is good reflector of light, right? That's why we are making a coating of silver. Once the silver coating is made on one side, over that coating we make a coating of opaque surface. That means on this side we have two coating. First the coating of silver, next the coating of opaque material, right? After making this, this whole surface become the mirror. It become mirror, and in physics we are representing this mirror like this. Just draw a line and put the short obliques like this, right? And this side represents that the side on which the coating is made. So therefore this is polished side. This is polished side, polished surface, and this is reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. That means the reflection takes place from this side, not from this side. Because over this silver coating, opaque material is also coated. So this is the representation of the mirror, right? Mirror is always represented just by drawing line and putting the short obliques like this. So the mirror has two sides. One is polished side and other is reflecting side. From the reflecting side the light will be reflected and the image can be formed. So that means if you want to see the image, anything must be placed in front of the reflecting side, not at the back. This we call front side and this is back side, right? The mirror has two sides, front side reflecting side, back side that is polished side. Now this is the mirror, okay? On the basis of the surface, on the basis of its surface, nature of surface, the mirror is also classified into different types. So see, this is the mirror. So mirror we can define, it is a highly polished surface which can form the image by reflecting the light. And the mirror, it is having two types. One is the plane mirror. Another one is spherical mirror. Plane mirror, its surface is plane like this. Its surface should be plane, right? That's the mirror which we are using in our home to see ourselves, right? Another one is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, that means the surface is curved. It is curved. Just like take a tennis ball and cut a small part from it and it will be like this, right? Spherical mirror. And in the spherical mirror, plane mirror, there is nothing, either this side coating or this side coating, still it will be plane mirror. But in spherical mirror also there are two types. Here the side bent inward can be coated or bent outside can also be coated. So if the coating side is changed, then the nature of mirror also changed. Now here we take the mirror. Here we are taking the mirror. It is coated outside, that is reflecting side bent inward. Here reflecting side bent outwards. So on this basis mirror is classified into two types. That a mirror whose reflecting side bent inward is known as concave mirror. It is concave mirror. If the reflecting side bent outside, that is convex mirror. Convex mirror. So, these are the types of mirror. These are the types of mirror. Right? Mirror classified into two types. Plane mirror, spherical mirror. Plane mirror whose surface is plane, whose whatever be the side is polished or coated with some material. Here, spherical mirror, the reflecting side bent inward, that is concave mirror. The reflecting side bent outward, that is convex mirror. Now, all these mirrors are able to form the image. Plane mirror, that we are using the mirror daily. Concave convex mirror also used by us in our daily life activities. Right? We will discuss more thing about this mirror in the next session.